Here's how to use Dropbox Sign to collect legally binding electronic signatures, even on the free plan. Access Dropbox Sign. In the left sidebar, click on Signatures. After May 2025, signatures will only be accessible at sign.dropbox.com or app.hellosign.com. Go to sign.dropbox.com and click Sign In. Choose your file from Dropbox or upload it from your computer. Add signers. Enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign. On the free plan, you can add up to 3 signers by clicking Add Signer. Set the signing order if you need to. Place signature fields. Drag and drop fields like signature, date signed, and full name onto the document and assign each field to the correct signer. Review and send. Choose a folder to save the document, add an optional message, and then click Send for signature. Track the status. Keep an eye on the progress of your signature request in the Documents tab under Signatures. You'll see statuses like pending or signed. Here's what email will be sent to the customer or client you sent the document to sign via Dropbox, and how they will see the document sign it. And here's what your document will look like on Dropbox Sign after they have signed it. It's now ready for your signature. You can go ahead and date and sign it. Now that all signatures are complete on your document, it is ready for download. A completed version will also be emailed to your customer and you.